So to make a Kahoot, it's actually really easy. So you sign up, you can sign in with Google. That's what I did. I made my username my cow ID. But anyway, so this is the example that I made for class. I'm going to go into edit it and show you a few things. Hopefully this opens. My internet's been running a little slow. Okay, so you can give it a title. They want you to put hashtags in so that way people can find it. They can search random things and it will come up. So if someone searches Romeo and Juliet and an introduction or just one of them, it'll come up under that. So you can put however many questions you want. As you can see, you can add another one here if you really wanted to. You would type in your question. You would give them a time limit. I put 120. I don't know. I guess. You can add an image. And the other ones I think I added an image for each one. I'm not positive though. I know I did for the quiz itself. But then you're going to give an answer, and you at least have to do answers 1 and 2. Most of them I did 1, 2, and 3. Some of them I did 1, 2, and 4. This is where you give credit to your sources if you were to put a picture in. So it's very simple. Discard that question. You can edit any of these. I know it's Shakespeare played, love story. Okay, so some of them I actually just did answers 1 and 2. But it's very simple. And once you're done, you just hit save. Save and publish. Did you know? So you can edit it, preview it, play it, share it. These ones are actually very easy to share. You would just click the share button, and this takes you right to it. And you can share it directly with other Kahooters. So if you knew a teacher's name, you could put them in their username. So mine is SIL9528. I would put that in if I were somebody else wanting to share it with me. So that's very simple, very easy. You can apparently share it on many mediums, not just through email or through school stuff. You can apparently share it through Facebook. So perfect. You hit I'm done. And it takes you back to your page where your Kahoots are created by me, is what it says up here. And then you have favorites and then shared with me, things like that. But yeah, you can search. I think this is just searching what you think, which I've only made 1, so you're not going to find much. But to look for other Kahoots, you go to find Kahoots. Tell me a Kahoot about, let's try my tag, Romeo and Juliet. Let's see if it comes up. Again, my internet is very slow. I do apologize. Okay, so I guess we're not going to get to see if it comes up or not, but that's pretty much it. Oh, okay, here we go. There's 20 questions on that one, Romeo and Juliet. So see, they all have something to do with Romeo and Juliet. I don't know if mine's going to show up because it's only 5 questions, and I just highly doubt it will, but it might at some point. Okay, but that's how you would search. It's even giving you little options of what else you could search, which is cool. Okay, well thank you. That's how you play with Kahoot.